Hello and welcome everyone to the walk around video here at your next car, the 2017 67 Reg 335D M Sport XDRIVE Touring. Car is presented in Alpine White, features the Y&C body enhancement kit alongside some nice features and options. How you see the car is how you'll purchase it, and if you'd like to know more, you're welcome to use the links that are available in the description box. Let's get into talking about the car. It has got brand new 20-inch alloy wheels, 4 brand new tyres. We have also added our front splitter, matching kidney grills, side vinyls, side sill extensions and Y&C M performance decals with our aero mirror caps and rear diffuser. This one comes with the rear privacy glass. It's a facelift, so you've got front and rear LED lights, front and rear parking sensors, electrically operated tailgate, hugely impressive boot size, paired with the fact that it has got over 300 brake horsepower, 4-wheel drive, and also a electrically foldable tow bar. Makes for a great combination of a very powerful, very practical, good all-rounder. So it'll fold itself out. That is compatible with the diffuser you see on the car. So there's no need to make any adjustments for that to work properly. As you can see there. So as you can see, that's now folded out. And again, being that the fact it is electric is super handy indeed, as it means when it's not in use, or even if you're not to use it at all, you wouldn't know it was there anyway, as it simply folds back into place nice and easily and is tucked well out of the way. Inside, this car benefits from the lovely Highlight leather, 3-seat Isofix rear bench. One of the fantastic things about the Touring 3 Series is just the level of space that is on offer, and of course a great driving car as well. You've got heated front seats, 8-speed sports auto gearbox, XDRIVE 4-wheel drive, as I of course mentioned. And we'll go around and take a seat inside and just spend 1 or 2 moments highlighting a few of the key areas of the car then. Beginning with the multi-function M Sport steering wheel. So you've got cruise control, speed limiter, voice and volume functions. Pedals for the 8-speed sports auto gearbox. Cover just over 49,000, which is really good low mileage for a 335D of this year. Business nav and media, Bluetooth telephone and audio, DAB and USB line in. Just check the service status now. Isn't due a service for 13,000 miles and does come with extensive service history with BMW. So there is a look around this very nice, very well equipped 335D M Sport XDRIVE Touring. If you'd like to know more, just check the links in the description box. Thanks, bye bye.